This video and this information could change your life. Just sit back, relax, and treat this video like a podcast and just pay attention. Hear me out for just a few minutes. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Guys, listen, today we're going to be talking about Matic, Polygon. Listen, boys and girls, it is not looking good, okay? For two big reasons, and I need you to listen closely if you have this coin, okay? Fundamentally, they changed something where there's no longer a max supply, and supposedly it was 10 billion before, and now has gone past 10 billion and it continues to grow. So what does that mean? Inflation, right? Just like Dogecoin, the way Dogecoin is a coin with inflation, so is Polygon now. But the problem is, or the difference is, Dogecoin gets a little bit of coins each day, where even though every year you're gonna need like 2 or 3% more money, in Dogecoin just to maintain that price, it's nothing compared to Polygon, okay? Guys, this is not good. And let me break it down from pretty much a technical analysis why I think this coin is done for, okay? So we can obviously see massive rally, whatever, dump, whatever. And then this is the most concerning part for me. So this right here, these two candles, right? This green one and this red one are institutional candles. I've been trading this type of style for years now. I've seen this setup for years now. I've seen it on a weekly time frame. I've seen it on the hourly. I've seen it so many times. Guys, when you see something like this, usually what you get is where price taps in anywhere from the bottom of that candle to about 50%, right? So somewhere here, and then you just get a massive sell off right after, right? You can see, boom, we tap in, we sold off. And I believe that the institutions cashed out. I believe big money cashed out. I truly do believe that. And I'm going to show you another chart where pretty much oil was manipulated during the Ukrainian war. Now, everyone's going to say oil went up because of the war, but guys, I'm telling you, that was only an excuse to move price to a certain area. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, we have the oil chart, right? We could see at one point it was extremely high. At one point it pretty much went to zero, swept all, it literally swept any type of liquidity, right? Down below here, super manipulated. But what's most important, what I'm trying to show you, is that we pretty much have a bank candle right here on the monthly chart. Now you can see the top right in 2008, we have the bank candle, boom, we have a big sell-off. And then look, in 2022, we eventually start scaling up to it, right? Now, let me just see what time frame this is exactly. But pretty much you can see that we're going to create an institutional candle. And look, we did. We created another institutional candle. Wow, isn't that crazy? And boom, we can see price again tapped into this candle. And if we just play it off, let's just say let's go on the well, like on a 3-day 10 times speed, right? You can see pretty much price sells off from there. And that is exactly what's happening with Sui coin. So for me, this coin is done for, okay? If there was to be a redemption arc, if things were to change on a fundamental analysis, standpoint, where I'd be looking to buy is pretty much below all this liquidity over here. All right, you have weeks worth of liquidity, weeks, right, weeks, and pretty much going into this candle here. Now, I don't recommend it because as it seems, this project is dead. Okay, to me, this project is dead. Now, of course, I'll never know if they flip a switch and, change things. But at this moment, this coin is done for. Stay away. I know it's not what you want to hear, but would you rather be in denial and lose money, or would you rather just, say it is what it is, take whatever money money you have out of that coin and just reinvest in a great coin like Render, AKT, so many other coins, you know?